After placing a successful booking, submit your shipping instructions conveniently via ECU360. We made several options available for you to submit instructions. Submit your shipping instructions directly from the ECU360 dashboard by providing the booking reference or bill of lading number of your shipment. You can also choose to submit shipping instructions from the top menu, by entering the booking reference or bill of lading number of your shipment. Or click on the menu point, My Instructions, and under the drop-down, Pending SI, you can submit your instructions. Another option to submit shipping instruction is available from the feature, My Shipments, by clicking on the button, Submit Instructions. Save time by using our Smart Quick Load feature to create your SI from an existing template or a saved draft. Another example of our platform's smart templates coming in handy to give you quick access to your most repeatedly entered SI data. Then simply enter your consignment details such as shipper, consignee and notify party. Here is where our party's details templates truly shine. You have the option to select one from your existing address book or simply add the new company details of your shipper, consignee or notify party and click on Load. In the cargo details we require piece count, weight, volume, commodity group and goods description, marks and numbers, HS code and hazardous information when applicable. You can also include additional information on the body BL or freight details fields. Here we require freight terms, BL type and select the number of BLs required. An option to attach documents to your SI is available. Simply drag and drop any relevant documents anywhere on screen or click on Browse. Finally, you can save the SI as a template or draft. The next time you want to create a similar SI, all your details are instantly available in this pre-prepared template which will auto-populate fields such as shipper and consignee data, reducing the mundane task of repeatedly entering the same data. Now simply click on Submit SI, and a notification pop-up will show, Email with SI instructions sent successfully. From here you conveniently can review the SI details, print and email the instructions or click on the button, Edit SI, to update your instructions. After submitting your shipping instructions, ECU360 will automatically send out a copy of the SI summary with a booking reference number to your registered email address. You now have the option to review and edit your SI from the page, My Instructions.